moonlight and palm trees, the color of the moonlight and your mood ring. She said,
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrea and today's video is going to be me organizing the linen closet that's right across the hall over here, so I have more room to put extra baby stuff and comforters and towels and things like that, because it's all just kind of piled in piles in my bedroom and it's disorganized and ugly. So I need to do that today, and then also I think I'm gonna film my baby dresser organization as well. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the things in there the way that they are now, but at least it's a little bit more organized, and I have actually something to show you guys. So without further ado, if you guys want to see me organize and clean out my linen closet, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, today's project is gonna be on organizing this linen closet. So what I'm gonna do, my plan is to take everything out, clean it out, wipe it down, and then reorganize and put everything back neatly as best I can. Okay, so I cleaned out most of it. Now I'm going through all of my mom's medicine cabinets and throwing anything away that is expired, because like some of this stuff is very, very old. My mom doesn't know how to throw anything away. Look how many camel packs she has. Is that really necessary? No. Expired 5 years ago, over 5 years ago. Trash. All right guys, so this is the finished product. I'm not exactly done with it, but I got most of it done. It's a huge improvement from what it was before. So over here I just have my playmat and my breast friend pillow. Over here I have like some face towels, masks, and these are puppy pads that I plan on using for when Leilani has blowouts. These are all my towels. These are all beach towels. I think I need to purge them and get rid of some because I don't need this many. And then I put the blankets up there. These are extra sheets and pillowcases. Just random tools that I don't want to get rid of just yet. And then all of my mom's stuff is down here because I couldn't figure out where to put it. But these two shelves are mine, and this helps me tremendously from having things just piled up in piles in my bedroom. Alright guys, just got my first Instacart order. I'm so excited about it because, oh crap, this is heavy. Because I'm pregnant and I didn't want to leave the house. But I'll show you guys what I got in a second. Alright guys, so I did Instacart for the first time. I was gonna go grocery shopping today, but I watched the news last night and I was like, oh hell no, too many people are getting COVID, more people are dying, so I just decided to do Instacart. And I was so excited, I was following along in the app the whole time. It like lets you know when every item has been shopped. So like if you have 10 items, it'll let you know 1 out of 10 is shopped or put in the cart, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. But so this is what I got. I got a thing of dried cranberries because I want to make oatmeal cookies. And instead of raisins, I want to do dried cranberries. So that's what that's for. And then I also got some chicken thighs because I prefer dark meat over white meat. We also got some pork chops. I think these are boneless pork chops though. Yeah, boneless pork chops. Meat is so expensive, you guys, now. This chicken wasn't too bad, $1.59 a pound, but the pork was, what is it, $3.99 a pound? Yeah, so that's kind of expensive for me, but I needed proteins. Then we got some dill so that my mom can make pickles. And then I also got some cilantro because I'm going to make some cilantro lime rice. 2 things of passion fruit juice because it's my favorite right now. I have some applesauce to go with the pork chops when we eat them because I like pork chops and applesauce. So That's why I got that. And then I got 2 things of shredded cheese, the big bags, Mexican style, and also Colby Jack. And then I also got a thing of teriyaki sauce. Usually I'll make my own teriyaki sauce, but I don't have ginger right now. So this is the best thing, like, if you don't make it yourself. It's really delicious. Love it. All right, guys. So I just got back from a Target pickup. I am now going to make some Its. These are oatmeal cookies with white chocolate chips in it. And then these ones have white chocolate chips and dried cranberries. And last night I made soy ice cream. So we'll see if it tastes good. I used silk soy milk, the original flavor, vanilla, and white chocolate mocha coffee creamer. So let me smell it. Smells good. Hopefully it tastes good. Alright guys, so I made my sandwiches, froze them for quite a while, and then now I just have my double boiler, and I'm melting a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil and 8 ounces of chocolate. This is dark chocolate. I got it from Trader Joe's. Looks like this. It comes in a humongous, like, large bar. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue to melt this and then wait for it to kind of cool down just slightly. Then I'm gonna skewer the sandwiches and dip it in here. So I made enough chocolate to cover all but one, unfortunately. So I'm gonna be putting this back in my freezer to freeze it for up to another hour or so. And then I'm gonna enjoy them. Me and my mom are gonna eat this one later though, since it doesn't have chocolate in it. Hi guys, today is Friday. Right now I am just organizing my daughter's clothes. She already has so much still. So this is everything that I need to fold, and then I have a whole stack of clothes over here that I need to hang. So I think I'm just gonna speed through this real quick and do all of that, and then I have a doctor's appointment today. I think I am gonna be maybe checked for cervical cancer. Long story short, I had to have 2 procedures done last year on my cervix, a LEEP procedure and a colposcopy to take out some cancerous cells from my cervix. So, but everything's all good now. I'm gonna get checked for that, check on baby, see how she's doing. I'm just gonna speed through this and get this done before I gotta go. Alright guys, so I'm just finishing up here, doing all the stuff that needs to be hanged, or hung up, not hanged. She has, as you guys can see, she has a lot of clothes. I'm just hanging them up now. I'm not separating them by how many months she's going to be, what her age is. I'm going to get little markers that say like 3 to 6 months, 6 months, 8 months, 18 months, whatever. And separate them and go through them and organize them when I get those markers. I've seen people have them on like YouTube and stuff, and it's really helpful to have it all, like this section is for this age, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna wait till I get those, and then I'm gonna organize this by size and then call it a day. So everything here is supposed to be hung, and then I still have so much more over here. Everything that still needs to be folded. This is clothes that is gonna be too big for her at birth, so I'm gonna put them in the bottom drawers over here, and we'll figure that out. But I didn't want any clothes in bags on the floor in my bedroom. I wanted to make sure that everything had a place. Not much longer until she's here. And then if you guys want to see a little baby bump update, currently 7 months pregnant with my baby girl. When I get all this organization and stuff done, then I will be showing you guys how I have my dresser set up for her. But yeah. Oh, and I have to show you guys something too. Hold on. I also got this. I got this off Craigslist for 40 bucks. I left it outside for like maybe like 12 hours, and just in case there's any germs on there, so it was baking in the sun. And then I sanitized everything completely. But this is where I'm going to keep my breastfeeding stuff. I haven't filled it yet. I do have a wrist brace here because I'm having pregnancy-induced carpal tunnel really bad. But I love it. It's real wood. I love real wood pieces. And I think it's kind of old because it has like this detailing here. It's definitely not modern by any means. But I just have some stuff down here. Blood pressure cuff, some school stuff that I had. But yeah, when I get my breastfeeding and postpartum stuff figured out in here and organized, then I'll show you guys and do a video on that as well. Hi guys, I'm here. Just parked at the doctor's office. I'm here for my 32-week checkup. So yeah, I love that Kaiser has the reserved stork parking. I'll show you guys. So they have this stork parking. It says by permit only, but it's kind of late in the day anyway, so I don't think they're gonna get mad at me. I've never seen the by permit only part. I've parked here before and didn't get in trouble, so I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys, just got home from the doctor's not too long ago. Doctor said everything looks good. The heartbeat was sounding great, she said. We are nearing the end. Huh, Leilani? But anyways, I think what I'm going to do today is just film a little bit more, edit some stuff I have, and then get back to folding these clothes over here. I can't wait to get that mirror up on the dresser, you guys. It's behind the dresser right now. So I'm eating the It's It from yesterday. You guys, it is so good. I'm so proud of myself. So good.
Sunlight and palm trees, the color of the moonlight on your mood ring. She said